Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you basically can you watch Disney Plus on Alexa Show. Now, Alexa Show or Amazon Echo or really any product or tech product like that usually does not allow you to watch any other streaming services on them. Now, as you can see right here, unfortunately, the Amazon Echo and Alexa Show currently does not support Disney Plus on their range of products. Fire TV Stick, Fire TV Cube, and other pretty much devices that support Disney Plus. As of right now, as you can see, Fire tablets are the only Amazon devices that support Disney Plus. So if you want to go and watch Disney Plus, you can go and do it through there. Now, if you own an Amazon Fire Sticks or a Fire TV Cube, it is straightforward to install Disney Plus on it if you want to do it. However, you cannot watch Disney Plus on Alexa Show or Amazon Echo as of right now. Obviously, as you can see, this is what you can get on the Amazon Fire Stick and Fire TV Cube if you want. But other than that, installing Disney Plus on your Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV Cube should be as simple as going and installing it through an app or something like that. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Obviously, this is how you can watch Disney Plus on Amazon Fire Stick and Fire TV. But yeah, if you have any questions or maybe comments around this, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.